let's see here now. So see here, like as I said, like this is only like the simple class. So we are going to like give some like the rights now to this like the controller. Basically, like it should be like access some like all the rights from the controller sides. So what we have to like, we have to give like the one annotation that is controller. So there are like the two basically annotation, that is controller and rest controller. So when we have to go for like the rest controller, like when we are adding like our rest principle only, you know. So that principle, like that application we have to test in like the third party application, that Postman or like the other tools. But this application we are not going for like the testing one anywhere, like the Postman or like anywhere. We are handling like the some Thymeleaf tools over there. Yes or no? So for that, like see, again, don't try, because someone has no like who has work in the Spring Boot. So like how will it take like this data annotation? When I'll enter the controller, so like it will not show the like auto suggestions for them. So what shortcut like we have to use it? Control space. Don't like just go okay, like I'll just like write your the whole own words like that, okay? Because again like the spelling mistake and everything. Why you're wasting the time? Don't waste the time here only. Just control space. So here it will give it. So here you can see like one stereotype it is showing, that is org.springframework.stereotype. Now we'll enter it. So now it means the controller is accessing all the rights of the controller, this class file, correct? Now I can here do work. But see, the controller will never understand like what things we are writing. It doesn't know like what is string, what is other data types. It will just understand like your the route wala part. When it will search for like any URL, so it will check your the route, what URL and what operation you are going to perform there. So as we discussed, like what it is following, it is not following any convention. There is doesn't mean of like your method name, na, what method name you are passing. It's just checking for your attribute, what route you are setting over there. Because we are changing the convention name from this route only. So what I want, like first of all, like I'll try for like the string wala data only. Let's say public, and my return type is what? String. Let's say my method name is display. Okay. And here we'll return some message. Or I'll give it here hello only. So you can see like I have just like display the hello, but will it call now directly? No, it won't like the one route now. So like we have to set like the route here. So which route like we have to set now, like which annotation we have to call? Don't go for like the post mapping directly. The route means response body, it will load the response. But how to research now, how to search over there for the URL. So like we want the route over there, that is routing, that is get or post mapping over there. So which one like we have to use? Get. Now don't use like the post mapping here, because there is no form or like anything else, which is like one we are submitting. So here like we'll pass one annotation, that is at the rate, same control space. So you can see and it will ask for your the route. If I pass slash, so when it will load? When my application will load only, because at that time only it is passing the slash over there. If I'm passing some name like here, like let's say home, so it will ask for like the some name to like enter over there. That is one attribute, basically. I don't want anything, because when my application will get load, that time only that page should be load over there. Correct? So that I want. So here what it will search over there, basically, see, tell me. See here I have not passed the response body. So it will check for your page, that is hello.html page, which is not already present there. But what I want here, like now without template file, like I want to like just display this response only, which response I am passing inside the body. So for that, like what I'll do, here I'll pass one more annotation, that is response body. So like it will load only the hello. Okay, so like we'll see like which of the parameter, like what things, like how to load it. Everyone has know like now that URL wala part, how to load that URL parameters, correct na? So see, first of all, like what I'll do, like I'll save this file and how to like run it application. What we have to run? Spring Boot app. Make sure your server should be not started from like the Eclipse, because the same port number they are using. Here also it's using the 8080 and the Eclipse also it's using the same 8080. So need to change the port number if you're running like both of the application at the same time. So need to change like the port number then. Okay, so now it is running. But sometime if you're like the Eclipse is started over there on 8080, it will give the error. Correct? No? The port is blocking somewhere, like port is already somewhere used. Okay, so where I have to check, like can I come to the Google here or like any browser? What I have to run here? our service name is localhost and our port number is 8080 no. There is no need to pass like any attribute because we have just like load the slash only no. So you can see it's showing the hello. How to pass some parameter here? I want hello mastic, like that name, like I have to like enter over there without any form. I don't do anything, like I'm just taking like some parameter from like the body itself, model itself, the method itself only. So see, this is the method na. I'm passing one parameter here, string name, and here can I display it plus. So will I get result this? Just save it. So you can see like the auto started going there by using the DevTools only, which dependency we have loaded. Just do refresh it. It is null because there is no data. So where we have to load that data? So that parameter wala data, it is loading inside your URL. It's checking for your URL. So we need to go in as like URL here. Just give the question mark. Question mark. The parameter name is name, and just pass your name whatever you want. Masthead. Understood this? So the parameter request, it's going in like the URL only. It's checking the URL parameter. I want like the one more parameter here. String last name. How it will load this? The second wala parameter, it will take the first parameter. Na? Here I cannot give it na, basically. So suppose you just tell me, let's see, I have not displayed this parameter, correct? I have not worked it like this is one the first parameter. If I give it like the masthead business, so will it get work this? Space is there na in URL. I am passing the name only though. One parameter is there, no, only name wala parameter. Let's press enter there. Correct? Only what it will do? It just like for taking the spaces over na, the percentage and that 20. This one for the spaces. Correct? So like how will I get like the second parameter? Let's say like I want the one more string there. Let's say last name, and here I'll display the plus space plus. How will I get this? Here after that like we'll use ampersand. Here the last name, attribute parameter name, and pass solutions. Press enter. So we'll get master and solution, both of the strings which we pass in the parameters. If I want like the some addition wala, then how to do like the addition wala part here? Then addition of two numbers. Same thing. So can I return like the integer here? Integer instead of returning like the string. So what I'll return here? Let's say my action name is what? Addition. We'll take the two parameters and B here. Same get mapping. Which nothing. You can take like response body here also. If I'm taking here, then also it will be fine. It is just checking for you an annotation like whether it is passed or not. Okay. So here like I'll give it, see like can I give it like the same route? No, that route is already present there. So need to give like the another route there. Let's say add wala. You can directly give it that add also. That will help like the file. See like we'll try to load it. We'll remove it na, this one. This one. Here It is in like the number, na, so it's asking like directly just value. Null values are getting written here. Null values are there, na. Nothing is we have written. We have just like display the addition only. Just need to pass like the value a is equals to 10. Let's say we have load the 10 and one more, that is ampersand b is equals to that integer was there, na. Previously we were written the string. The hello we were written, so that's why it was responding there. Here we were not returning, it was responding the null only. So that's why like the primitive value is there, na, integer. Yes. So it was getting like the null only, so that's why it is not getting displayed. We are getting, so this is one like the C, that I directly we are taking the response through the URL. But now like what I want, like I don't want like the URL response, like I'm just like checking for like my form, na. I want like the form body. So what I'll do, like I'll just come into the template, I'll add one file new, just go in other, and here you have to search for HTML. If you not install that like the web developer, so like it will not show the HTML file here. Understood this? If the HTML files is not showing, so it means the web developers is not installed there. Correct? So like that's why like we have installed this HTML file, it is showing now. So it will give like the HTML5 extension here. Which file like we have to add? Home. See, file name doesn't matter here. The matter is only that route. The what route like you are setting there. You can see the HTML5 extension also like you can use that. It is providing that. How to return this file? Tell me. Let's say there is one h1 tag. I want the auto suggestions. They again control space. But without web developers, it will not show anything. You have to write manually everything then. Open close tag, correct? It is my home page. So how will I get it this? Yes, how it will return this page? I'll create one method. What return type like you have to give it? String only. Let's say my page name is home page. It doesn't matter, this method is only there. Is there need of any parameter? No, not needed. We have to just like return which page? Page name is home. Don't pass any extension. For the HTML file, not needed any extension. Here, oh, it is string, no, it is written. Here the mapping, again the get mapping will pass the route. Not needed slash, here without slash also we will load it. But is there needed of like the response body? Again we pass like response body, so like it will give the home. But I want the page, na, instead of written like the body. So will we run it then? Let's save it. Here it is. It is HTML file, na, basically. If the file is missing, let's say like the home page, which is not present, na, this HTML file is not present, and even response body while annotation is also not there. Just do refresh it. It will just give you this one. Can you see? The template might not exist, the accessible for this home page. You can also like read this error here also. Easily you can solve the error in the Spring Boot. See here. Don't check for the error, for the error. Check this one line only. First one line, where the error is there. Error is on template, na, the template might not have been accessible over there. If the template is present, like if I try to return the JSP file, na, here, if home page dot JSP, so see, like again like it will give me the error. Your JSP wala dependency like it is not present again here. If you again like you created na the JSP page, again it will give the error because Jasper wala dependency it is not present here. Understood? It's checking for your dependency everywhere. Here see like I have not passes anything over there, na, that references anything, like I have just like written only one page. This it should be give like the one page only. So see like why we are looking for these things for like our web application. Correct? Because when we'll go for like our REST applications, in a REST application we will not use this Thymeleaf. For the REST application we have to use the Angular, the pure Angular like we will use. So the theme leaf wala one application we have to create it, okay, in this one. So this is not for testing again. We have to keep it like for like our client side interviews, the web application, the theme leaf wala. Okay, so one application will be there, then after that like we have to go for like the rest. I think once you understand this part na, so rest and these things I think both are the same. Only rest wala part like we are testing on a Postman. Here we are testing through our websites and web pages, in HTML pages only. Correct na? Directly we are just like testing our functionality here only. Yes, understood this? Try this first. Then we'll try to pass some data form and that one thing. We'll get an idea there. So wanted to see that form wala request first? Yes. Form wala? If you want then like I'll show you here. Let's see then. Now this one you understood na, the form, how it's written in like the HTML page. Now what we'll do, like we'll create one login wala form. Simple. The same na, form tag, do control space. What details we want here? The email ID and password. Here take it the which tag? Input tag. Text na, and we'll pass that JSP wala, if you remember that name only like we were passing na there. Name only I'm taking here. Okay, so after name like I'm passing the name as, let's say, email. Input. Password. But again see, like when you're going to bind or like when you are going to access these properties in a controller side, so it will ask for the model. There is no request.get parameter na, directly. Correct. So like we have to pass like the reference to our model. Need to create the model for this. One submit button. Now everyone has know about the model also. So I think no need to explain like more about that part. So see, like that's why like why we had preferred that like the pattern, MVC pattern. Now everyone has know more about that services and everything. So we can directly use here now. The whole part. The submit. This is the button na here. Form. Which method like we want here? Post. Action. Let's say check login. Correct. Check login. So like I just need to check whether my action is submitted or not after submitting this form. Only the data will not goes there, but I just need to check whether the form is submitting or not. In a jQuery also like we were checking for the event. Na, basically event is happening or not by displaying the alert. Because if the event is happening, that post wala method, so like we can pass the body there. So how do I check over there inside the controller? I pass like the action. Check login wala. Where I have to pass? Controller. So do I need to create like one more method there? Public. Same return type is string. So like we are not returning any class, anything over there. Let's say check login page. Doesn't matter, like we can give it like any name there. And here instead of get mapping, like we have to use post mapping because our method is post. Post mapping. What was that like route name there? So see, this one only like you have to pass from this. Okay, so it will come here for checking the post. And here I just wanted to like return one message. I'm just checking only whether it is coming or not here. Got it. Okay, but again the got it wala, it will look for the page. I don't want the page. I'll load response body. Okay, so after submitting it will just display one text that is got it. So nothing is matter na, like what we have done here. Home only na here. Break tag, give it BR, control space. Correct? Can we submit directly? Yes, no, there is no validation. We are just checking only the submit while action there. Understood? It means my method is submitting now, but it is not checking for anything because we have not passed anything over the reference or anything over there. Understood? So how will I check this data? Whether which data, from where I am taking this data? I wanted to check na, like which data is going. If it is going, so like it should be give like the success or like the error wala message. Correct? So like how do I check it here? You can create like the one more page here like if you want. Otherwise you can just like display like response body there, the message wala part. So what I'll do, like I'll first create the model. I'm not adding the package now. Which class like we'll add it over there? Login, field, private string, email na? And one more, that is passwords. Here we'll add it. If Lombok is there, so like that will also do the shortcut here. Correct? So like we'll add the, we know about this, the data setters. Correct? We need this thing. We added it. So like we'll come into the test controller. So while checking this time, how it is checking? We cannot directly pass the reference. Like when I'm taking like the object of this, na, like let's say my model name is what? This is one my model, na, login. And my object name is log. But can I directly check the properties from this log, whether whatever the fields I am entering inside the form? My form and model is not linked na, now. There is no reference anywhere. It just model is separate, individually working, and my form is individually working somewhere. So how to link it? So for passing the like link na, it is just taking the reference. Like whichever the form like now you are loading na, just now I want like the initial object from it. So for that, like it will ask for like what? We are passing one more data annotation, that is model attribute. But model attribute, it will just think for like yes. So this is one like the model attribute, but like the reference is pass or not. So I just wanted to check here the way the data is going or not. Okay. So what model attribute will check? What model attribute will check? The log is my object, na? But the log which is present or not inside the form, how it will check it? The form wala name I have passed, correct? Name I have passed, but form and these things is linked or not somewhere. Are you getting my question? What I am asking? Login wala model is there, and there is my form. Is there anything link? Check login, it's directly going in the inside the submits. So if suppose if I directly wanted to link this name wala part to that your model attributes, where my get email wala method will get it, na, basically attribute, getter attributes, correct? So can I check like that here? Where it is, that is in a controller, na? If what condition will check? Log dot get email, na, it's getter property dot equals, let's say I want ABC at and log dot get pass dot equals, it is 1 2 3. Okay, then what it will return? Let's say it is success, or else it is failure, na? It is. It is failure. So do I need to return this thing? We'll save this. Okay, but again it is not validating anything from your model, correct? Because we have not validated anything, any reference over there. So we will just check it, like we'll just refresh it. Email, let's say pass ABC only, and password was 123. When I submit it, because my email ID is not match, correct? It is just directly responding a response body, na, which I have passed. If I pass at gmail.com 123, correct? So like my names are actually matching with your model attributes now, correct? So it is taking like the name wala parameter. But again, the what Spring Boot is telling na, basically while you linking the some fields na, it is not good to pass the name wala field. We just need to take like the proper reference. Here we are not checking whether these field are getting from the model or not. Even we have not linked. We are just passing through like the model attributes only. Correct na? So how to get linked? The name are not mostly preferred. It is working now, but it is not mostly preferred. It is just preferring like we have to use like the family field. TH field wala was there na, TH field. So TH field, it will try to bind the property from your model to here. It will check both of there whether the model wala property it is there or not here. If it is same, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. First try this, we'll check for that later. Is any confusion here? See, I'm just calling the model wala attribute here, na, this one, by passing this annotation. What it is?
Version. Should I go with the 21 or 25?
Version issue is shown. It's Windows 11, na?
Yeah.
So it should work.
Windows 11 and my Java version is 23 or 24 something.
Project is not loaded.
Name I think.
We have not deleted from that.
Workspace. It won't throw any error till the project isn't good. At the end, it will throw the form message.
It should be not give the version issues.
It's
This
telling me to download the Java 17
Which
version.
JDK is there? You have?
23 I think.
So that will be also fine. JDK 23 have like the features of 17 also.
Yeah. But
So 17 will get added.
yeah.
Done, it's loaded. Load.
Lower issue.